If you think your portfolio is a mess, or you don't know how to write a professional email, or tired of applying to countless firms with no response, then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sagar and today we are going to talk about how to apply at architectural internships effectively. Trust me, I have been there, but I'll share you some simple steps that actually works, and by the end of the video, I'll share some free resources that will help you land a right internship. But before moving on, consider hitting that subscribe button, which will help us to create more resourceful content for architects and designers like you. Chalo then, let's kick off things with story. While I was applying for an internship, I applied to some of the firms and I sent them emails thinking that they will reply to me. You know, we architects have that kind of attitude that we are the best. So I applied to 400 firms across India.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
And guess how many of them replied? None. Yes, actually none of them replied. While I thought that it was some kind of bad luck, but then I shifted my attitude to right direction. Sending the same generic email to all the firms were wrong. No cover letter, not knowing about their work, not even knowing if they're hiring. On the top of that, I sent BCC emails to everyone with the subject line internship inquiry. And if you're following this method, stop whatever you're doing and watch this video till the end. So let's figure out the most important thing you should know to land a perfect internship. Step 1. Ask yourself these questions. You should know how and when to apply. Timing is crucial. Don't wait up till the last minute. Apply before at least 3 to 6 months before the intended internship period. What you should consider before applying? Think about the location. Are you okay to relocate to another city? And do you care about the firm's reputation or learning a particular skill? Point number 3 is choosing what is important, learning or stipend. If gaining experience is your top priority, do not think about the stipend. Some of the firms might pay, but some might not. It is important for you to decide if it is learning that is important for you or the money. I would say prefer learning. Point number 4 is networking. Do not just rely on sending cold emails. Also go to exhibitions, go to their social media accounts and see if they are hiring, and build a rapport by liking their post or going and following them on LinkedIn. Step number 2 is your portfolio and your resume. These are the first two things any firm would look at, so make sure you make them top notch. But if you're not sure what to do, I have some tips for you. Number 1 is include your best projects. Focus on quality over quantity. Make sure the projects you feature are diverse, covering technical skills and design creativity. Keep it simple. A clean and easy to read design creates a lasting impression. Point number 2 is tailor your portfolio and resume. Just like your email, your portfolio and your resume should reflect the work the firm specializes in. If the firm is doing a sustainable project, try including a green project if you have done. Point number 3 is include software skills. Firms usually look at proficiency in Revit, Rhino, 3D Max, SketchUp, Lumion, Photoshop and many more tools. So make sure you include all of them in your resume, show your skills but do not lie. Point number 4 is very important and I didn't focus on it a lot, but it is very important. It is portfolio size. Keep your portfolio around 10 to 20 pages and not more than 4 to 10 MB. Firms do not have time to go through a large document, so keep it concise and also keep an eye on instructions by the firm before applying. Add the links of your portfolio in the comments and I will help you perfect them. Also, if you want to dive deeper into portfolio structure, I have added a free portfolio guide in the description for you guys. Step number 3 is writing a standout cover letter. Though it is a crucial part of the application, yet many people skip it. So let me help you with some tips. Personalize your cover letter. You guys must be thinking, are you for real? Isn't that overwhelming to write a personalized letter to every firm? Well, internship चाहिए तो करना पड़ेगा boss. Research the firm and mention the specific projects or the values that resonates with you. Point number 2, explain why you are a great fit. This is your chance not to just highlight your skills, but also tell the firm that how you can align with their goals. So mention what you can bring to the team. Point number 3 is keeping it concise. Your cover letter should be about 3 to 4 paragraphs. Keep it professional, but it should also show your personality. Point number 4 is don't repeat your resume. जो यहाँ पे लिखा है वो यहाँ पे कॉपी नहीं करना है.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
Your cover letter should complement your resume, not just to show the same achievements at both places. But don't worry, I know writing a cover letter for starters can be very tough. So I am helping you out. In the description, you can find some templates of cover letter that might help you. Step number 4 is application and following up. Now you have sent your applications. It's time to follow up. So here's what you need to do. Point number 1 is firms with specific application process. Some firms have a specific process of application and it is listed on their website. Make sure you visit their website, check the process, apply there, fill the application form, and do not send that generic email. They would not see to your portfolio and your resume and not even your email if you don't follow that application process. Point number 2 is wait at least 1 to 2 weeks. I know it will be very exciting for you to get a reply from that firm, but at least wait for 1 to 2 weeks before following up. Firms have their own process and it takes time. Point number 3 is be polite and concise. Your follow-up email should be brief. Express your continued interest in the firm and ask them if they need any more information. Point number 4, don't spam. I have done this mistake, but let me tell you, don't do it. If you don't hear back from the firm, even after follow-ups, don't spam them, don't bombard them with such messages. It's okay, you can move on to the next firm. Step number 5 is the interview process. You have come this far and you're finally at the interview stage. Congratulations. But don't stress out. I know you can do it. Point number 1 is research the firm. Make sure you know about the firm's project, their clients, and their design philosophy. This shows your genuine interest in the firm. Step number 2 is preparing a portfolio presentation. Make sure to take a hard copy with you and show them the thought process behind every project in your portfolio. You can also practice talking about your work clearly and confidently. Point number 3 is common interview questions. Prepare common interview questions like what are your strengths and weaknesses, why you should work with them, where you see yourself in 5 years, and more. Practicing this will make you more confident and more prepared. Point number 4 is asking thoughtful questions. At the end of the interview, make sure you ask them some questions like what is their work culture, what are their expectations from the interns, what are your specific roles, how's the mentorship approach. This will show your engagement. Point number 5 is writing a follow-up email and thanking them. While many of the students don't follow it, but when you go home from an interview, write a follow-up email thanking them for the interview opportunity. This shows your interest in the firm, and even if they don't hire you, they would remember you if there's any new opportunity. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you found this video very helpful. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tips on landing a right internship. For resources and guides, as we told, we have added it in the description with a bonus step. And if you have any question or need a personalized advice, please drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Also, do not forget to follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram for additional tips to navigate in architecture or design industry. Good luck with your internship process. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.